5 benefits of running. Running is one of the simplest ways to improve your health. You don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership. Just a comfortable pair of shoes and a little motivation. Here are 5 important benefits of running. Number 1. It improves heart health. Running gets your heart working harder and can help strengthen your cardiovascular system. Regular running may also improve blood circulation and support healthy blood pressure. Number 2. It helps control your weight. Running burns calories and can help you maintain a healthy body weight. Combined with a balanced diet, regular running can be an effective part of a healthy lifestyle. Number 3. It strengthens your muscles and bones. Running works your legs, hips, and core. Because it is a weight-bearing activity, it can also help maintain stronger bones when done safely and consistently. Number 4. It can improve your mood. Physical activity can help reduce stress and support better mental well-being. Many people feel more relaxed and positive after a run. Number 5. It can improve your sleep. Regular physical activity may help you fall asleep more easily and improve sleep quality. Just avoid intense exercise too close to bedtime if it keeps you energized. Remember, you don't have to run long distances to get started. Begin slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase your pace and distance. Running is simple, accessible, and powerful. Even a few minutes of movement each day can be a step toward a healthier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more simple health and fitness tips.